Well, if you were injured in an accident, there are a lot of factors at play, from auto insurance to hospital bills. Of course, it can be overwhelming. Earlier, we visited with Tara Lowe of the Lowe Law Firm to help guide us through the process. We are with Tara Lowe from Lowe Law Firm. You've been seeing her a lot lately on our show, sharing her knowledge with us. Tell us what we're talking about today, Tara.
Hi, Stacy. Today we're going to talk about hospital liens and third-party accidents.
Okay, what does that mean to us normal people who are not in the world that you live in?
Okay, so typically what that means is when you're involved in an auto accident, the Texas Property Code allows a hospital that you go to the emergency room or go get treatment for after an auto accident to file a lien.
Okay.
What that means is that lien attaches to your settlement proceeds. And what happens is that settlement proceed goes to the hospital bill before it goes to you. And so one of the things we were kind of talking about was some advice for clients who are involved in these things is before you give a hospital any information about your auto insurance, whether it's yours or the other parties, go talk to a lawyer.
And so how often are you seeing this where hospitals are taking part of that auto insurance?
Oh, every automobile accident case. And the problem is not that the hospital gets paid. The problem is that the hospital refuses to bill if you have health insurance, and they refuse to take those rates that they get from the health insurance, and instead they're charging these exorbitant rates to people as uninsured or as a result of a third-party accident, and that eats up all of the settlement proceeds for the clients.
And so what is it like for someone who's been in an auto accident and they're already having to recover from whatever injuries they have, and then all this other stuff comes? What's that like in the healing process?
It's awful because clients are injured, and that's the last thing they need to worry about is the billing and the exorbitant fraudulent billing that the hospitals are doing. And so the reality is the best thing anyone can do is before you do anything, when you're able, contact a lawyer for a free consultation, because we can help navigate through some of those hospital lien issues and try and maximize your recovery.
And so if someone is in the hospital and it's kind of an emergency situation, they're in a horrible accident, then what do you suggest for the families? Kind of the same thing?
I would suggest, yes, maybe send a family member to do a quick free consult, something like that. But if nothing else, nothing awful is going to happen if you need to wait a few days till you get out of the hospital to provide them with auto insurance information. The one thing you do need to do is immediately give them your health insurance information. If they refuse it, send it to them via certified mail afterwards and instruct them to bill your health insurance. If you do not have health insurance, contact us. That's a whole other bucket of worms.
And so why would they refuse your health insurance if they have it? What's kind of the underlying cause for that?
The reason for that is the health insurance reimbursement rates are so much lower than these exorbitant rates that the hospitals want to charge uninsured or accident victims. And so if they can take that huge exorbitant bill and attach it to your settlement rather than take your health insurance rate, that's what they're trying to do.
And you have a lot of cases right now exactly like this here in Abilene and surrounding areas, correct?
Nearly every auto accident I have this with.
And so if someone out there has been in an auto accident, or just for future reference, how can we get a hold of you to get that free consult to make sure that we are taken care of on all ends of this?
Absolutely. You can contact the office at 325-455-1889, and you can also visit our website. There's a lot of information on there, lowlawfirm.com.
And really fast, too, before we get done with this, how important it really is to consult with a lawyer, because there's so much information out there on the internet, but really the face-to-face is what can help you clarify things.
It can. And nearly all of us give a free consultation, so come visit us because we can help you navigate some of those things. Even if you don't decide to hire, we can at least give you some advice.
Okay, well, we appreciate you coming on and taking time to visit with us today. If you would like to contact the Lowe Law Firm, they are located at 613 Hickory Street. You can give Tara a call at 455-1889 or go to lowlawfirm.com.